Thank you very much for joining us. Stormwatch 9 weather on the web. Another weekend is here, and this one kicks off with some rain for some, mixing or snow far north, and eventually gusty winds take over each of the 2 weekend days. I think the strongest winds will come in here on Sunday, but still quite gusty at times, even on Saturday. And watching 2 systems next week. First one will arrive on Tuesday, mainly in the form of showers. Could be a bit of mixing far north. In another one, not out of the question after Thanksgiving, Thursday night or Friday of next week, but the chance of that very low at this point. Tough to call exactly how that'll play out between now and then, so definitely stay tuned to important updates. For tonight, cloudy skies, breeze not all that bad, temperatures upper 30s to around 40, tomorrow back into the 40s. Now what about that timeline for the wet weather and snow for some? Well, the rain comes in at times on and off, pockets of rain between now and early tomorrow afternoon. Some of the higher terrain of western and northern New Hampshire will see a flip over to some wet snow, with the highest tallies of snow in northern parts of the state between tomorrow early morning and early on Sunday morning. Notice later on in the day tomorrow, the rain pulls away, snow showers linger up north, and the winds really begin to crank up. Gusty winds on Sunday as well. Snow showers continue in northern parts of the state, while in southern New Hampshire it should be snow-free and rain-free. Snowfall up north, generally 1 to 3 inches in the lower elevations from the White Mountains and points north, 3 to 6 in the higher terrain. In the highest peaks, possibly over a half a foot of snow. Now we'll talk about wind. Cranks up tomorrow late morning into the afternoon. Some of the gusts 20, 30, even 30 plus miles per hour. And then on Sunday, even stronger in the wind department, 30 to 40 mile per hour winds, letting up a little bit by Sunday night, and even more so as we go into the day on Monday. Speaking of Monday, partly sunny skies. Showers likely on Tuesday. Of course, a big travel week for many next week. Could be a little mixing far north, but essentially we're talking about rain here on Tuesday. Wednesday, gusty winds out of the northwest. Snow showers north, but dry in the southern part of the state. And then on Thanksgiving, right now it looks quiet. Sun, maybe some increasing clouds during the afternoon. There will be a storm off to our south. Big question mark starting Thursday night into Friday. Will that storm move up here or pass off to our south? We'll know much more, of course, over the next several days, so stay tuned to the updates for Thanksgiving and beyond. In the short term, gusty winds tomorrow and on Sunday. Rain tapers off from west to east tomorrow. Snow showers up north and some pockets of the Monadnock region through the Lake Sunapee area, especially in the higher terrain. On Sunday, bright skies south, snow showers up north, stronger winds, later winds on Monday, sunny skies, a few afternoon clouds, showers likely on Tuesday, and then windy again on Wednesday. Snow showers north, some sun. Farther south, sun to increasing clouds on Thanksgiving and seasonably chilly for the holiday. And then on Friday, a tough call right now, a chance of rain and or snow for many, but we'll fine-tune the track on that storm as we get a bit closer.